Meaning of gigahertz.
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 Gigahertz. Gigahertz stands for gigahertz, which is a unit of measurement used to describe the frequency of electromagnetic waves, including those used in modern electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, and Wi-Fi routers. It represents 1 billion cycles per second. The higher the gigahertz rating, the faster the device can perform operations that require processing power, such as opening apps and running software. However, gigahertz alone does not determine the overall performance of the device. Other factors such as the number of cores, cache size, and architecture also play vital roles in determining its speed and efficiency.